Hi guys, it's me, Elizabeth1000, and if you can tell by the title, this is an unboxing video, because I went to EB Games, and I got myself, I'll show you, the Legend of Zelda Majora's Mask, but wait. I got the new 3DS XL! Oh my god, I wanted it. If you guys remember, probably about 2 years ago, I got the 3DS XL, the Zelda edition. I'm moving my keyboard. And now I got this. So I'm gonna open it in front of you guys. So I'm gonna prop myself up, but I'm gonna open it right here. So, super stable, built in. Yeah, and the lady asked us if we have an AC adapter. I do, but it says AC adapter not included. There's the back. I'll open this. Actually, I'll open this first real quick, because that's a lot of packaging. If you hear noises in the background, it's not family. No. Ooh, I have a Sharpie thing on my clippers. Come on, you work. There we go. Exciting. You know what's kind of sad is that this came out like in February, right? Yeah. I wanted this game, but I didn't want to play it until I got the new 3DS XL, because with the new camera angles and everything, I'm just like, I'm gonna wait. So I had to wait for months, and I kept begging. And there goes the parrot. And, hold on, this is really hard to open now. Can this be opened? Oh. There we go. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, now let me... Okay. And there's the game. Pretty straightforward. Okay. Oh, and I'll show you guys the back. Yeah, okay. Now, for the baby. Check on my phone real quick. Okay. 6:33. So I'm just gonna try this. Oh, why? Why? Okay, there we go. Yeah. Is there tape? No, there isn't. Sorry you can't see it as much, probably because it's stuck. I got long nails, this is a problem. There, okay, there we go. Okay, so we got our lovely thingy. Okay, so pull this out. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, I can feel it on the bottom. I'm gonna keep the box. Like I already kept with my Nintendo thing. So, okay, first we got the thing here. I'm gonna put that down for a minute, but here is our usual. There's our AR cards, there's our quick start guide for the new 3DS XL, and I'm gonna put that down. And here's the one thing I'm really excited about, it's this. Okay, so it's just, yeah, no wonder the freaking thing won't fit, it's because of this. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! I'm gonna keep everything, you know. Oh, I can feel it, oh my god. Look at that, that's really shiny. Really shiny, oh my god. Oh, now I don't want to get fingerprints on it, because it's like, oh my god. It's so shiny. Oh. What? 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 Okay, I'm gonna explore this 3DS XL. Okay, so there's a stylus. It's really different than the others. Okay, so look at the beauty. Look at it, it's so shiny. Okay, so I'm happy. Oh my god. It's literally like they're probably the same size. It's gonna get a little confusing, but it's pretty normal. Okay. This is what I need to. Okay, so here's the there. There's that. Okay. I'm gonna close it first. That is so okay, I love this. Where is my 3DS XL? Oh god dang it. I have my 3DS and I have my DSi XL. I can't compare anything. Why do I keep hitting these buttons? Okay, there is a major difference with this new one. Okay, I'm gonna show you what it is. I need to get stuff right now. Okay, so we got the lovely front shiny. I see that the game goes there. It used to go on the top, but they now changed it. Oh no, fingerprints! It's gonna not really be shiny by the time I'm done with this. Stylus, right here. Used to be right here for the 3DS XL. Used to be up here for the 3DS. Microphone. I think the microphone were the same thing. The button. It's right there. Here, let me just show you guys real quick. The buttons used to be here around the bottom. Oh, the buttons are colorful. Yay! And then, yeah, okay. And then we got two new buttons. These, and then these. The ZR and the ZL. And then we got the AC adapter. I like the color black. So this is the reason why I picked this. And plus I have a red DSi XL. So we go in. There's this C, what's it called? The C-stick? The C-stick. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this package. It's so nice. It's so nice. And then we got the C-stick, the plus thing. The home button is different. Oh, they moved it. The start and selection used to be here. I can see myself. Ho ho ho. And the start and select are here. I think it's the same thing with the 3DS XL if I remember. Because I don't know where it is. What the? What? Okay, there's a thingy right there. Oh, there's cameras. Again. The sounds are different. There's the volume. Oh my god, the volume's moved. There used to be along here, but now they're right there. The 3D is on the same side. Where's the SD card? Oh my god. They hide it! Where's the SD card? I don't know where it went. Is it like behind here? Oh my god, I don't know. I'm gonna turn it on because we want to see my first experience with this. Sorry. Yeah, we're gonna want to turn this up. Let's do this! Oh my god! There's a red just lit. Sorry that my family is gone. Okay. You guys ready? I'm doing 3D test. Whoa. Whoa, okay, that's cool. Oh my god, that's cool. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, that red light is the 3D image. Hold on, it says a 3D image has been displayed on the upper screen. The 3D depth slider is right. Now, next you can confirm. Oh yeah, that is cool. You can move the freaking 3D thing. Okay, oh. Oh my god! Hi! Oh, sorry. Your face is displayed on the upper screen. The frame shows the range of your image. Oh, the range. Oh, okay. That's how you can see. Oh, yeah, you can't really see 3D. But, oh. Okay, I'm gonna love this. It's gonna be neat. What is Super Stable 3D? Super Stable 3D is just... This is what's new, and I love it. Oh. This is difficult! If you are a child, please have... Oh, okay. I'm a teen, so... Oh, that's okay. Sorry, I'm just filling up some information here. Doesn't... Oh, today's date. Okay. I thought it asked for my date of birth. I was like, Today... No, the time is 6. I need to look at my phone. What time would that be for 24 hour? Yeah, I don't know. Sorry. I'm just so excited. Yeah, that red thing here shows that I can be able to see the thing very well. Okay, hold on. Hold on, I can do this better. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. The profile. No, this is what happens when you do school, kids. You get what you want. Okay, this is when they asked for my birthday. I was like, shit. Oh. Please don't mind my family downstairs. They're a little... I don't really want to get this. Oh, now it's covered in fingerprints. Oh, it's my fault. I better... You know what I do with my 3DSs or whatever? Like, the first thing that comes out, it's like, oh my god, it's so shiny. And then I polish it, like, every day. Yeah, I'm a little... I will set the internet later. I'll set up the internet here. Wait till later. Don't look good. Oh shit. Woohoo! Okay, this video is like 15 minutes long just because I was looking at the thing. I am sorry my family is being loud. Where's the micro? Okay, so just some changes. This is what the thing looks like now. I'm gonna go and give this a look. And I'm actually gonna turn it off and see what it does. I'm actually gonna explore on this thing. Okay, and the power off. Okay, I am going to love this for at least quite a while. I'm gonna play my game. And yeah. Hope you enjoyed the lovely 3DS XL new one of an unboxing. I hope mine is better than anybody else's. But they probably are, which is a little disappointing. Anyways, I'm gonna go. And yeah. I'll see you guys on whatever video I make. And I'm probably gonna upload this video later because I'm gonna go downstairs. But yeah, bye.